Aurum. Aurum is a syphilitic remedy, meaning that often the patient themselves or one of their ancestors suffered from syphilis. Thus, the patients frequently inherited self-destructive pathologies which manifest themselves at the physical level in the form of severe life-threatening illnesses. Alternatively, they manifest themselves on the mental level in the form of depression or suicidal tendencies. Aurum patients are very serious people with a sad, intense, and sometimes intimidating aura. Aurum often believed that they were destined for something great. Accordingly, they set themselves high goals and very ambitiously strive for success in their profession or in society. It is important for them to perform their duties and they work perfectively. These people advance steadily in their career and before long they hold high position in companies, institutions or in politics. If these people do not succeed in overcoming their severe sorrow, they actually commit suicide. Their preferred method of committing suicide is to jump off a high building seemingly on the spur of the moment. It is as if they wanted to rid themselves of the burden of their mental strain through the seeming lightness of jumping down. The bone complaints are expressed in the form of strong rheumatic pains and may manifest as headaches, inflammation of the bone, arthrosis, or as stiffnesses. The more they get out of balance, the clearer they develop a need for spirituality, praying and listening to music. Their sadness increases if these people do not reach their goals, if they suffer a grievance, often due to disappointed love, or if they suffer setbacks in their business. Subsequently, depression may develop. The depression is massive and is later on accompanied by suicidal thoughts. These ideas are very tempting to Aurum patients as they seem to offer redemption and relief from earthly cares and worries. Aurum is an important remedy in all heart complaints. The patient often describes their heartbeat as irregular. It stops for 2 to 3 seconds and falls back to its normal rhythm with one strong beat. These patients are down keys. They become irritable, have frequent fits of anger when withdraw increasingly. Testes and epididymis are often painful, inflamed. They indurate or turn malignant. They have boring pain in inner right canthi. So gold only rarely amendments and other elements. It is pure, royal and belong to the best of the precious metals. People who require aurum equally aim to belong to the best. They strive for success, power and recognition.